Well, today I'm on the way to Swansea. Just stopped for coffee because I'm going to look at an Alfa Romeo. Yeah, the fun never ends. Well, here we are. How do I get myself into this kind of thing? I don't know. So this is what we come to see. Be careful I don't fall in a pit. Yeah, right, anyway. Here we go. Look at this old thing. Yeah. It's gonna need some love. But I mean, it's solid. I think it's had seals. You can't really see from there. Let's have a little look down here. It's had some seals by the looks of it. There's a proper knock on this engine though. It could be timing's very out. I mean, it could be all sorts of things, to be honest. Who knows? But I don't know. Kind of seems a shame not to rescue it. But yeah. Well, here we go. I'm blown away. This is very unexpected because I haven't been in a Denny's since, I couldn't tell you, maybe south of Miami or Clearwater, or I don't know, I can't even remember. Or maybe even Canada. But apparently this is the only one in the UK, so I will drink in the American vibes. Well, I'm back here putting my tools away. So if you're wondering how the story ended as regards the Alfa Romeo, well, not well is the answer, because it's the bloody light gone. I was basically too far gone. It was rusty. It it basically had a lot of issues. It was going to need a lot of body restoration. It was going to need an engine apart, I think, because it had a bottom end knock. The plugs were original, I think, as far as I can tell. They are the plugs it was born with in 1989, I think. So anyway, none of it boded well for being a well looked after project car that just needed a little bit of love. It needed some major work. Anyway, that's enough random filming of the workshop.